Again, Long Tai China Company Limited was founded in 1998 and located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. Specialized in dealing with serious medical products including condoms, personal lubricant, rapid tests, and many other sex products. In order to fulfill the quality our cooperation factories with a team of experienced and qualified process engineers and technologists to continuously improve on machinery manufacturing processes. By the end of 2021, we have exported to 100 countries in the whole world, such as United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, Turkey, Canada, Australia, Denmark, Vietnam, Pakistan, and Egypt. After some years' unremitting efforts, we explored one product patent, one-touch type condoms, which could avoid the pollution from hands when wear it, so it's safer and more sanitary than common condoms. Besides our 4 registered brands of One Touch, Tipsy, and Scalex, we also supply OEM service. All the condoms are individually tested with airburst test, package integrity test, and water leakage test. And our cooperation company have attained the certifications of FSC, EC, SABS, ISO 9001, and ISO 13485. Our pursuit is providing qualified products with professional customer service and competitive price. Now all kinds of venereal diseases and AIDS have become more and more serious, so Long Tai courageously bear the social responsibility. To create a healthy world, we sincerely welcome your visit and cooperation.